I'm a little bit behind in the course because I was in a vacation in the desert where I did not have access to the internet. Mm-hmm. But I wanted to make this course and not wait for the next because I have time. And I made a lot of I have experience with presbyopia. And I was really tired to always put the glasses on, take it off, on, off, on, off. And I was really tired about this. That's why I make this course. Mm-hmm. And now since some weeks, I read my mobile phone without glasses and I read books without glasses. It works.
Yay!
It's
Congratulations!
Very nice. And even sometimes when I leave the house, I think, do I have to take my glasses with me or no? And then I say, no, today I don't need it. But before glasses, it was like the mobile phone, you have to take it with you.